Welcome to the presentation for Power Platform, Dataverse, and Dual Write. We can all see that Microsoft is forcing Power Platform everywhere. So currently, I believe our thinking is closed in AX and FNO only because we haven't explored enough the possibilities of this platform. What, how, and when can we use the different components? That is why I decided to take us some step further and to start talking about it. On the agenda for today, we will talk about the different Power Platform elements, Dataverse, Dataverse for Teams, and Dual Write. There are four major components of this Power Platform, and all of them are individual applications where we can build custom business application across various devices with writing low code or no code. Those are meant to be used and managed by the business users. The first one, you all know Power BI reporting and analytical tool. Second one, Power Apps. It's a platform where we create applications and embed it in FNO or mobile or web. The third one, Power Automate. It's a service for automating workflow processes across applications and services. And Power Virtual Agents gives us a possibility to create chatbots for support, sales, or internal training. Power Automate. It's a service for automating workflow processes, streamline repetitive tasks across applications and services. We can use different connectors to communicate with the different applications. The list of connectors is enhanced every day by Microsoft. For example, we can use this as a guidance to a business process flow to follow certain tasks via steps and stages. You can see on the screen we have a trigger that triggers the event and kicks off the flow, and we have actions, what the flow does. Power Apps platform gives us a possibility to develop rapid applications and without writing any code or low code if you want to write something advanced. Here on the screen you can see from the top, first we select our data source. We can use the data source SharePoint, Excel, online. We can use SQL Server, Common Data Service, Dataverse, and others. Next, we can create, we continue on creating our own app. We can create it canvas application from blank. We can use to create a model-driven app from blank, or we can create ones from templates that are available for us, depending on the application that we build. Power Virtual Agent gives us a possibility to create guided chatbots, again without writing any code. Can be used for sales, support, or for learning. We defined our topic, we defined our entities, and based on those, you build your own questions. You can revert it to a real agent to take over the communication from that point onwards, and that is how you build your guided chatbot. Dataverse, you can see on the screen, it's placed on the center, and that is our meeting point with Power Platform applications and FNO. That is a new name for the Common Data Service, CDS. Microsoft has renamed it recently. Dataverse represents a database in Azure SQL, but in fact it acts as a platform or even as a service. It allows the applications to use the same dataset and avoid the problems created by duplicate and different data sources. Dataverse has its own security built in at the platform level, meaning that once you define the security roles and field level security profiles for a particular user or teams, these will apply to the authenticated user no matter what application or service they are accessing Dataverse from. As part of the Microsoft Teams license, now we can build Power Platform apps directly with the context of Microsoft Teams. Here on the screen, I want to demonstrate how we can use these different components in one solution. Let's imagine an ordering process. We start from building up a Canvas app for the users to place their order. That order then is sent and stored in Microsoft Dataverse in the cloud. After that, we have a model-driven app to complete the procurement process. And we use Power Automate to build an approval workflow for that order. We can communicate that back using Outlook, Office 365, or Teams. As I mentioned, Dataverse is our central point and meeting point between the Power Platform apps and finance and operation. Dual Write provides us a bidirectional integration between finance and operation applications and Dataverse. Any data that is changed in finance and operation apps causes writes to Dataverse, and the other way around. Any data change in Dataverse causes writes to finance and operation apps. This automated data flow provides an integrated user experience across the applications. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at citrus.com. Thank you.